I will now show you the main points of Shaolin meditation. Close your eyes and focus them on the nose. The thoughts concentrate inwards, toward the heart. Remove all unnecessary thought and think of nothing. Connect both hands with one another. Mind and body become very calm. Meditation has many advantages. One can access the inner harmony. Let the thoughts travel to your stomach. The tongue should be resting against the palate. Breathe in and out naturally. Let the shoulders sink down. Five surfaces should be facing upward: the soles of the feet, both palms of the hands, and the imaginary inner surface of the heart. During the meditation, air streams quietly in and out of the nose. Thoughts are calm and focused. Feel your breath coursing through your body. Meditation can be shorter or longer accordingly. Now we control inhaling and exhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Thoughts travel down to the stomach. Repeat again. Inhale. Exhale. Thoughts travel down to the stomach. I stretch my arms out. Inhale. Exhale. And let the thoughts travel to the stomach again. Inhale. Exhale. And let the thoughts travel to the stomach. Remain seated quietly for 5 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Repeat once again. Let your thoughts sink low. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And let your thoughts rest in your stomach. Stretch out your arms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And concentrate your thoughts on your stomach. Inhale and assume an upright position.